Now let's discuss some proofs involving circles. Example 6. In the diagram, AB is parallel to DC and AC intersects BD at E. Prove that angle ACD equals to angle BDC, triangle ACD is congruent to triangle BDC, and AC equals to BD. Before we begin our proof, it is good to rewrite all the information from the question. In the question we have given that AB is parallel to DC, AB is parallel to DC, AC intersects BD at E, and in this part we need to prove that angle ACD equals to angle BDC. So we begin our proof with the parallel lines AB and DC, and the line AC cuts those lines. Therefore, that angle ACD equals to angle CAB by the alternate angles. It is shown in the red color. We have that angle BDC equals to angle CAB by the angles at the same segment. Therefore, we have the conclusion that angle ACD equals to angle BDC. This completes our proof in this part. For part B, we need to prove that triangle ACD is congruent to triangle BDC. We begin our proof with illustrating those triangles, triangle ACD and triangle BDC. Angle ACD equal to angle BDC. We just proved it in the previous part. We also have the common sides for both triangles called CD or DC. So rewrite here CD equals to DC, common side. By the angles at the same segment, we have that angle CAD equals to angle DBC by the angles in the same segment. Two corresponding sides which are equal and one common side included. Therefore, we have the conclusion that triangle ACD is congruent to triangle BDC by angle side angle congruence. This completes our proof for this part. For part C, it is very easy to see that AC equals to BD. The proof is just similar to proof in the part B, but in part B we have the congruence of the triangles. Therefore, that the corresponding sides are now equal because both triangles are congruent. So AC equals BD completes our proof for this part. Let's see the other example. In the diagram, ABE and DCE are straight lines. ABE and DCE are straight lines. Prove that angle ADE equals to angle CBE, triangle ADE is similar to triangle CBE, and AE times BE equals to DE times CE. Before we begin our proof, let's rewrite all the information in the question. In the question, it is given that AB and DCE are straight lines, and in this part, we just need to prove that angle ADE equals to angle CBE. Angle ADE equals to angle CBE. Let's begin our proof. We begin our proof with the opposite segment. Remember that angles in opposite segments are add up to 180 degree. It means that angle ADC shown by the red and angle ABC shown by the blue are add up to 180 degree. Angle ADC plus angle ABC equals 180 degree, and on the other hand, angle CBE plus angle ABC equals 180 degree because they are on the same line, on the straight line. We can conclude that angle ADC plus angle ABC equals to angle CBE plus angle ABC because they are both 180 degree. We have the same angles here, ABC, and therefore we cancel them out. So we have the conclusion that angle ADC equals to angle CBE. This completes our proof for this part. In part B, we need to prove the triangle ADE is similar to triangle CBE. Let's illustrate those triangles ADE and CBE. We use the previous part that angle ADE equals to angle CBE. On the other hand, for both triangles, we have that angle AED equals to angle CEB as the common angles. Therefore, by the double A similarity, we have the conclusion that both triangles are similar. This completes our proof for part B. In the last part, we have to prove that AE times BE equals to DE times CE. And how do we prove this? Let's start from the illustration. We split two triangles ADE and CBE as follows, as we have just proved that they are similar. And based on these diagrams, we can easily show that actually the corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. So AE over CE equals to DE over BE. Therefore, we have AE over CE equals to DE over BE. By cross multiplication, AE times BE equals to DE times CE. This completes our proof for number 7. Now let's discuss about the other theorem, namely tangent chord theorem, or sometimes called alternate angles theorem. A tangent chord angle is equal to an angle in the alternate segment. Let's see the diagram. PQ is the tangent to the circle at the point A. The angle BAQ and angle ACB are equal. BAQ equals to angle ACB. Let's see an example. In the diagram, CT is the tangent to the circle at C. CT on the circle at T. ABT is a straight line. ABT is a straight line. And angle ABC is X and angle ACB is Y. Prove that angle BCT equals 180 degree minus X minus Y, and angle BTC equals to X plus Y minus 180 degree. Before we begin our proofs, let's rewrite all the information in the question. It is given in the question that CT is the tangent to the circle at C. CT is tangent to the circle at point C. ABT is a straight line, and angle ABC is angle X, angle ACB is angle Y. For this part, we have to prove that angle BCT equals 180 degree minus X minus Y. Let's see the proof. We begin our proof with the tangent chord theorem. It means that the angle between tangent CT and chord BC equals to an angle at an alternate segment, which is called BAC. Therefore, we write angle BCT equals to angle BAC. Angle BCT equals angle BAC. Now, since we have this relationship, we also know the other relationship. That is, the sum of all interior angles in a triangle is add up to 180 degree. Therefore, it is safe to write down that angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equals 180 degree. Modify this a little bit like this. Angle BAC equals to 180 degree minus angle ABC minus angle ACB. Now we use the given information in the question. ABC is X and ACB is Y. Therefore, angle BAC equals 180 degree minus X minus Y. Since we have the relationship that angle BAC equals to angle BCT, therefore the angle BCT equals 180 degree minus X minus Y. This completes the proof of part A. In this last part, we need to prove that angle BTC equals to 2x plus y minus 180 degree. We begin our proof with the extension angle of triangle, that is, angle BCT plus angle BTC equals angle ABC. If we add up the red angles, it will be equal to the angle shown by the green one. Angle BCT plus angle BTC equals angle ABC. We modify to get BTC. BTC equals angle ABC minus angle BCT. Angle ABC is angle X as given in the question, and angle BCT is something that we have found in the previous part. So we will use the previous part to complete this. Angle BTC equals to X minus, in the bracket, 180 degree minus X minus Y as we have in the previous part. And simplifying this, we'll get 2X plus Y minus 180 degree. This completes our proof for this part. Stay safe, tetap semangat!